Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to stop by to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am here today with a thrifted clothing haul, and then immediately after that I will be doing a home goods, home decor haul. So I'm not gonna ramble, let's just get into it. Okay, today I decided to go thrifting and I lucked upon some good items. So I will start with this one. I got this hat right here. I like the neutral color. I like that it has a little pocket here on the side, and I actually paid $1 for this hat, and it's in really good condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it into the wash. I am doing laundry today, so I figured I'd do this video. The next item that I got is, as you guys know, I am in Texas, and I got this Astros t-shirt. Real nice, it's blue and white. It's a medium, and it too was also $1. Everything that I got in this haul was $1, except for one item, which was $2. I got me another Astros t-shirt. Okay, and they're all in a medium. Okay, $1. This is gray with white and a little bit of red. The next item I got was this black top. It's by Willie Smith. It's also a medium. Like I say, all the tops that I got today are medium, and it is this right here. Okay, I like the ruffles, or the layer of ruffles on it. That's really cute. This cute pumpkin shirts. I have a couple, not exactly like this, but with the pumpkin on it. I like how the pumpkin is blinged out. Again, I got it in a, oh, this one actually says large, and it was only $1. So I'm gonna get all of these into the wash. And then I got this one, which is a medium, and it says believe. Okay, wear this during the holidays with some jeans. Then I got two, they were totally identical Tommy Hilfiger shirts. I mean, the quality on this feels really good. I mean, it looks like it hadn't even been worn much. As you can see the little Tommy logo right here. So I got two of these. They're both in medium, and again, they were $1 a piece. Okay, that's one, and here's the other one. I mean, it's really thick. I absolutely love how the material feels. Okay, the next item I got right here, it does say $2, but because I bought so many items, she gave it to me for $1. Also in the medium, I like, you know, the lace right here. There's like 3 layers of the lace. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna get this, like I said, these into the wash today. Then the next item that I got was this dress. It isn't a large, but it does run a little, looks like it runs, you know, small for being a large. But it's this dress right here. It's 100% cotton. It is by Krista Lee. Never heard of her before, but you know, again, I am not one who goes by the rules. It is off the shoulder about not wearing white after Labor Day. I wear white anytime I feel like. I like the detail on the sleeve, the ruffles here on the end. Okay, there's also ruffles down here on the bottom. I can wear it as a dress by itself, but I think I'll probably put some leggings on the bottom. But again, this was also $1. I got me another dress, and this one, I mean, the dry cleaning tag is still on. It hasn't even been used, I guess, since she washed it, but I will wash it again. This one's by Sandra Darren. Okay, this is a size 8, but I am thinking it won't fit. I do wear size 8, but it just looks really exact, and I don't like stuff that kind of clings to my body. But I thought it was cute. It was only $1, and I said, well, if it doesn't fit, I'll just gift it. But I like the belt, the black and white with the nice little V-neck. You know, something to wear to church like on a Wednesday night. Okay, this too was also $1. And then I got a sweater dress, really cute in the black and white. I like the pattern, the chevron pattern here on the bottom. Absolutely nice. I like that it's long sleeve. We're getting ready to go into the fall, so like on a Wednesday night when I go to church, I can wear this. Okay, and again, this was also $1. And then my last item, let me grab it right here. This was the only item that I paid $2 for. I mean, it's brand new, and it's this boots right here. It's like in a brown, not light brown, but not a super dark brown. As you can see, it's never been worn. Okay, still has the tags on it. It's by the Massimo brand. I believe that's Target, right? Size 11. The original price on it was $39.99. It was reduced down to $11, and she sold it to me for $2. So this definitely was a deal. I can't wait to, use this in the wintertime. We are in Texas. I don't know. I just don't ever feel like it gets cold enough for me to wear boots in the wintertime here in Texas. But I guess to look cute, it'll be good. Well, anyway, guys, this is the end of the thrifting haul. Immediately after I put this in the wash and I've eaten because I'm super hungry, I will be bringing you my home goods, home decor haul. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on that bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making these kind of videos. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Until the next video, guys, everyone be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.